brand new video, and thank you guys for 600 subscribers first of all, and be sure to stick around throughout the whole video. You know, it's really interesting. Whether you're a soccer fan or not, it's a really nice cleat. But this video is basically a review video just to show you the little things about the shoe. There's a lot of details, such as the box in the first place. So for an example, right here they show you both the men's and women's size, which kind of shows you that it is a limited shoe. So they didn't make it separately for men and women, which would they usually do it for cleats. They made one version and they kind of did the conversions themselves. This was collaborated with Nike football, not soccer, for some people who want to argue in the comments. And also, like, it's just that the box is probably one of my favorite parts of the shoe because it's so shiny. It gives you that rainbow effect. You know, the thing about these cleats is that the presentation is just on point. You know, from the wrapping paper, just having that off-white feature, and you can see they put a lot of detail to it. Now, the first thing about these cleats or boots is that, you know, they're very fluorescent. You know, they got that green, what am I talking about? Green, orange, and yellow, you know, neon touch to them. And then it's just, there's so many tiny details. You can see the off-white aspects, you can see the Nike aspects, and these are actually cleats that you can use. And you can see in the gold touches on the laces too. It's just everything about this shoe is such high quality. Now, this is basically modeled after the Nike Mercurial 360s, which is an actual cleat that is used by players. And but the only difference between that and this is that this has a designer touch to them. So you can see that this was engineered for speed. It was engineered for its exact specifications for players. There was actually a collaboration on the shoe with Kylian Mbappe. Now on the bottom of the cleats, you can see that you need to be fast as in order to, you know, wear these, because these are generally considered striker shoes. Like, you know, your Cristiano Ronaldo of your soccer team are typically wearing these. And then it's just a great shoe. There's so many touches to it, so much fine detail, so much breathability. I mean, you could actually use these on the fields once again. And don't forget that every cleat comes with a boot bag. And, you know, this boot bag does not, you know, bring any disappointment. It has that flashy color with it to let everyone know that you have these limited edition off-white cleats. And they do come with laces of blue, white, black, and green. And they all have orange tips except the blue one. And they are off-white branded shoelaces, which is a really nice touch. And yeah, that's it. If you have any questions about these cleats, just let me know. But it's been your boy, Mighty Madridista. And until next time, guys, peace.